Me and Mrs. Jones. We got a thing going on. We both know it's wrong. We meet every day at the same cafe. 6:30. I know she'll be there, holding hands, making plans. Me and Mrs. Jones. Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Me and Mrs. Jones. It's a good song to learn. If you want to play R&B or jazz, these are kind of the chords you'll be using. Alright, I'm gonna kind of go through it quickly though because it's a lot to cover. I was playing E flat major 7 to I believe this is A flat major 7. I'll put the diagrams up there. And they're both at the 6th fret. That's the beginning, the intro. And then we go into the verse. The first part, there's 2 parts of the verse. So part 1 and part 2. So this is part 1. All right, let's stop there because just want to briefly talk about what I was playing. All right, the first part is E flat major 7, which we played in the intro. This is F minor 7. This is G minor 7. So the first part of the verse is E flat, F, G, G, F. And then we go back to G, G. You can hammer your pinky on the fret 13 on the high E if you want. It's optional. Go back to the F. All right, and then we do 3 chords that are a transition. It's this one. All right, so that is first chord is a F minor 9, and then we go to a major 9, and then we go to an this is a E flat major 9. Anyways, I'll put the diagrams up there. The names aren't important. Basically, the important thing is that we're moving from we're descending 3 descending bass notes. All right, and that's those 3 chords are the transition to part 2 of the verse. All right, part 2 of the verse starts on G minor 7. Then we go G major 7. And then that's how part 2 of the verse begins. So from the transition. And now we go to C minor 7. Back to G minor 7. Go to F minor 7. B7. G minor 7. G major 7. Then we start over on the C minor 7. G minor 7. And that brings us to the end of the verse. Okay, so we go after we go. We're coming from the down this position at the 3rd fret. Let's see, it's a F9, F minor 9, E flat, no, E9, and then we stop on the E because the next chord would be E flat, right? We're walking down to E flat. But that's where all the band stops and the singer sings, Billy Paul sings, Me and Mrs. Jones, a cappella. It's an a cappella section. And then you go right back into the first part of it after that. We meet every day at the same cafe. 6:30, I know she'll be there. Plans, holding hands. F9. Have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Oh, here's a little lick you could play. You play like right here at the 8th fret on the part 1. It's just a little lick you could play on D and G at 8-10, 8-10. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun.